Hello friends, this is Abe again. It is March 7th, Saturday, 6:45 a.m. We are ready for another wonderful day of hiking. Today we are doing hiking in the Fiordland National Park of New Zealand. It's a 2.5 hour drive from here from Queenstown, so it's going to be quite an adventure. So let's go ahead and see if the hiking team is ready. We are here at our Airbnb. All the bags are lined up. Lily is getting ready. Xiaobin is ready already. Sitting here with her coffee. And there's David. He's a boxer today. And that's Dennis. He's always friendly. And then Lily is looking up some restaurants for after the hike. After driving for 2.5 hours, we arrived to our destination, our trailhead for the Kepler Track. So this is a nice big parking lot with space for lots of cars, and you can see there's a lake right there. I think I may be pronouncing it wrong, so I apologize, but I think that's Lake Te Anau. And so we're going to go around and then keep going until we get to the trailhead of Kepler Trailhead, and then from there we're going to go to Luxmore Hut and then make our way back. The whole trek today is supposed to be about 16 miles round trip. It's out and back. So let's do this. Are you ready, Debbie?
No, I'm stretching. I have to keep stretching.
Yeah. Looks like you're ready, David.
I'm ready.
You always ready?
I'm ready, Freddie.
Ready, Freddy? Okay. All right, a few of our hikers here got bitten by mosquitoes, so
I think there were gnats.
Gnats?
I don't think I've seen a mosquito.
So they're gonna spray themselves.
We're gonna spray ourselves.
Okay, a couple more minutes. Very beautiful lake. Gonna go ahead and cross that bridge, and after that we should be in the woods. It looks like there's a dam here that regulates the water level of the lake so that there's no flooding. Welcome to Fiordland National Park. We are going to Luxmore Hut. It says 6 hours, but it's not going to take us 6 hours. It's probably going to take us much less.
We're not going to take that long. It's 8 miles.
Yeah.
8.3.
We are in the woods now. Right? Looks like there's a bathroom here. Check the quality of the bathroom and see what it looks like. Nice and green. Hopefully it will be clean. Yeah, not too bad. That fungi growing on this tree.
You guys are gonna go like 3.5.
The air is very high in humidity today. I can feel it. After all, we are inside the rainforest. It rained here today. It rains here most of the time. We are lucky that today we're going to have a very sunny day. It is not supposed to start raining here until 6 p.m. today, so we are very, very fortunate. Hello.
Hello.
The kitchen area, there are seats here. Very nice. There's water here, but it's not potable, so you have to boil the water if you get it here. We are going towards Laxmore Hut, so that way.
Just by the water, and it's damp. They love the damp.
It's like a fairly tailed forest here. So pretty. And the air is very, very fresh. Very quiet.
Oh, victory.
Going up, my heart rate is 169 or 170 now. It's too high for an old man like me. It's a lot of uphill. Hello. Look at this formation here. Wow. This rock has some yellow on it. It's probably from some kind of a microscopic bacteria or something like that. And there's a little bit of red up there too. And while we were hiking, it started raining here. After all, we're in the rainforest. It rains something like 260 days per year here, so it's a lot of rain. But we're only about 2 miles from our destination, which is Laxmore Hut. So we will keep on pushing. Alright, we're finally above the tree line. It's raining now. Visibility is not very good, but it's acceptable. It's okay. It's gonna get windy now. Look at that beautiful view of the lake down there. So gorgeous. But we have to stay on this trail above tree line to reach our destination, Luxmore Hut. We're almost there. I should be there in about 10 minutes. Look at these nice alpine flowers. Look so pretty. This is such a very well maintained trail. Thank you very much to whoever does it. Look at this. It's very windy. Here is the first view of the Luxmore Hut from far away. As soon as you make the corner, you see this Luxmore Hut. While I'm walking to the shelter, I wanted to show you my stats. I hiked almost 8 miles to get to the Luxmore Cave. Luxmore Shelter, and elevation gain is almost 3,000 feet. So I'm very, very close now. It seems like there are a lot of people there. As soon as I get to the shelter, now I have sunshine, the views look amazing.
Oh my God, knows how to open the zipper.
He's so big.
Uh-oh.
Oh, wow. Where's he going?
Right here.
He wants to open the zipper. Look at him. Let's see what he does. Uh-oh. He knows where the pocket is.
Is he on the table? He's a sneaky little thing.
Wow.
Clever. He wants a cookie. Isn't he beautiful?
Big beak.
Where's Big Bird?
Yeah, true.
What is he? Oh.
Yeah, attack. Right here. Sick.
Hi, pretty bird. You are so pretty.
Whoa.
Hello there. You come say hello. Who's after your lunch? You're going to take my laces, aren't you?
Yeah, take the shoe.
Oh, no, go away. It's okay.
It's gonna take the shoe and fly away.
Did you get a good picture?
Uh-oh, there he is.
We don't
This
need
one.
to be without our shoes. Hello.
He's seeing a lot more many backpacks there.
Oh, what a tacky.
No! I said naughty boy. He's got a decent beak, hasn't he?
No, you don't want him to.
He can smell something in there, you know.
There's one other,
missing the bloody-
there's one
Oh,
other
here we
behind
are.
you.
Gosh. Nothing wrong, are you? No.
This one.
Go away. Can I have a look in the window? Someone out of all of these pictures will have to have gotten a decent one. He's trying to break in through the window. Thank you. Oh, look. That's Josie's. Josie, oh, Josie, he's in your bag.
Not a chance.
Hey. This cheeky bugger.
Nope, there's nothing in there.
Go away. Go on.
This is the inside of the Luxmore Hut. It's a shelter for backpackers. How are you? Good? This is the view from the window. One more pick at this beautiful view before we go. We have to hike now 8 miles back to the cars, all the way somewhere down there. Hunter here is looking at this lichen. You like lichen, Hunter?
I like it.
Well, what it is.
Okay. Look at the texture of this. looks so amazing. Look at this. This is lichen. Very, very nice. I have about 3 more miles to hike, but some people, instead of hiking that extra 3 mile distance, they take a water taxi, and this is the water taxi. And all these hikers are waiting to get on the water taxi to get to the other side. We don't have a ticket for it, so we have to keep walking. And just like that, we're back to the cars. Let me show you the stats for today's hike. 16.88 miles, 3,261 miles of, 3,265 feet of elevation gain, 3 miles per hour. It was a good hike, so thank you for watching. Bye.